Because the biggest thing is if you're going to do the inspection, you go up, you give your free roof inspection, the insurance claim gets filed. You don't want to have to chase the homeowner for money, and your name's no longer on the check because assignment of benefits is gone. So, a way around that is something that was kind of developed in Florida and spread like wildfire throughout the rest of the states is direction to pay. So, direction to pay is an independent contract between you and the homeowner and any named party or interested party in the claim that says, "Hey, listen, we understand that you're going through the or the insurance process. Our name's not going to be on the check, but you do agree that the proceeds that you recover will get paid towards us as the contractor. This is our contracting agreement. Myself as a public adjuster, or Dan as a lawyer, has both a fiduciary and ethical obligation to ensure that if there is a direction to pay in place, those proceeds are going in the direction of the contractor who did that. The direction to pays can be submitted directly to the insurance carrier, to the desk adjuster, and while your name may not be named on the check, it will be named in the loss. So every loss has a loss statement on it. That loss statement is going to say, "Hey, listen, my bid item for Xactimate, Stability, whatever estimating software you're using, was done under, I don't know, high level roofing out of Colorado." And while you're not a named party on the check, you are named in the claim. And if there is either a public adjuster or an attorney involved, then there is a requirement to make sure that those funds still go to you. So it's still going to be basically the same timeline and process for assignment of benefits for getting paid. It's just not called an assignment of benefits, and you're not a named party. Unfortunately, you are relying on the homeowner or the public adjuster or the attorney to do their ethical duty and their fiduciary duty, make sure that you're still able to collect those funds.